Top of the morning. We are headed to the gym we checked out yesterday. I'm gonna walk there. It's about a 15-minute walk. And then my boy, he gonna take a Uber there. He lives a little bit further. And yeah, get a good workout in. So feeling great out here in Addis Ababa. Beautiful morning, beautiful city. Check it out. So listen, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this channel. I've had this channel for years. I've done all different types of content, but this content seems to hit the best. I get the most positivity, get the most comments, most viewership. So maybe it's something we stick to, or maybe it's something I do with another channel, because I do like doing some of the content that I already do on here, but we're gonna see if we change it or not. And I want you guys to know too, man, if there's any dream that you have or any goal in mind that seems far away, like truly believe that you can accomplish it. Truly believe that, because when you put your mind to anything and go hell bound for that, you will always achieve it. I don't care what anybody says. And there's less likelihood to achieve that if you don't have that attitude, if you don't have that mindset. I'm a country boy from a small town where when you go to Walmart, you're more than likely to run across somebody that you know. You understand what I'm saying? Like, and most people that grew up where I'm from, they don't leave the city. They stick with the same old, you know, no growth, no, nothing new. And it's not to knock anybody that stayed in the city, but it's like, if you told yourself you was gonna do better and be great, but yet you wanted to stick to mediocrity, then like, that's the results you're gonna get. And if you're in that position and you feel that way, my highest recommendation for you, if you haven't already, leave your hometown. It doesn't have to be forever, but all the time, because it's gonna open growth for you. It's gonna open doors. You're gonna meet new people. You're gonna come across new opportunities. All of this, just by leaving your city. I've done this, it's my fourth time. This is my fourth time leaving. It's my fourth time leaving and just trying something new. And now I got a whole family doing it, right? Like, I used to do it, it's just me, right? Lone wolf type shit. But I got a whole family. I got a wife, I got a daughter, and now I'm in a country, I'm in Africa, Addis Ababa, thousands of miles away from home. And it's a country where English isn't the first language. This is a learning curve for me. But listen, I'm up for it because I continuously look for growth. I continuously look for building myself up in each and every way, spiritually, mentally, physically. Like, I continuously look for that. I never stop. And you know, that's my word of advice for you guys for today. Really go after your dreams, your goals, and ambitions. So I'll see you guys at the gym. Much love. Peace. Hopefully y'all can hear me, the music loud, but just got done with the workout, had a good grind. Now we finna get breakfast, so we out here at this little spot. Nice little view to the side. Yeah, I'm absolutely loving it here. Getting ready to get more clients for photography. If you guys don't know, anybody new here, me and my wife do run a photography business together. So we just getting a little thing set in order so we can start getting clients here in Ethiopia as well. No, they'll have some there. So just got Done with a good rest after the morning restaurant and workout. My wife talked me into getting a pedicure, so we're gonna go do that. She's feeling a little bit under the weather, so no camera time for beautiful faces today. No worries. You look at my face today. But we're walking into the city right now. I think this place is not a far walk. How far is this place? About 9 minutes. So we're gonna take a little walk. Come along with us with my first pedicure and her probably 20,000. Let's do that. All right. At the spa. I'm a little nervous now, but hey, we'll see what we're working with. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know. What is the best place you get your pedicures at here in Addis Ababa? Let us know. Which one we at? What is this called? Doggies. Doggies. We're at Doggies currently, so let me know if you guys know any better ones, decent priced. We're gonna see how it's working here. Feels like we got our feet in some type of gooey stuff. I don't know. I don't know what it does. Guess it cleans it. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. Check and see how the end is doing.
Alright, I did not yet.
Appreciate you giving me some content.
What?
I appreciate you giving me some content.
You're moving the chair.
I know, it's kind of weird. Sorry.
Oh, oscopatmış. Slash.
Now you finna do paint?
The nose.
Yeah. I thought they was gonna do me bad, make it hot.
Yeah, that was what I wanted to record to.
Oh.
Tight feet. Oh, it's fun. Does it feel good?
Yeah, feels really good.
You like it?
Yeah, feels really good.
You should have put very hot for you.
Yeah, don't found is nothing like a tattoo, so I feel like that's the worst pain. So just got done with the pedicure. It's pretty nice. My feet ain't felt this smooth since probably when I was a baby. So pretty dope place. And I forgot to mention the price of the pedicure for me and my wife both was $40. My wife pays about $80 for a pedicure just by herself. So it's pretty nice. Thank you. All right. Yeah, I just got done. Like I said, doing the pedicure, had to walk my wife home. Now I'm out here at the dessert bar, getting my little sweet tooth on. And yeah, man, I am enjoying myself today. Got a long day ahead tomorrow. It seems that we'll be going to Kaliti. I don't know how to pronounce it. If you guys know what I'm talking about, correct me in the comments. We're going to Kaliti. We're gonna be there looking at some machinery and just things that people sell in bulk. See what opportunities are there and what we can get and find out. So stay tuned for that. It's pretty dope. Yeah, man, I gotta say, just going off what I was telling you guys earlier in the morning, you really just gotta go for your goals, man. Go balls to the wall with the shit. Like, go hard, man. This year I really wanted to do something new, make a definite big change, take a little bit of risk, and this is what it is. We out here, and we gonna do our damn thing. I'm hella excited for what is to come and what we're about to do, which is gonna be magnificent. It's all about staying consistent and, keeping the team consistent and just staying on the P's and Q's, That's all it's about. This is a very big learning experience for me. So you guys just go for your dreams. Don't, hesitate. Don't think about it too much. Plan out for sure, but, don't overthink it to where you too afraid and you don't jump on a decision that you'll regret later in your lifetime. And aim for the storms. You never know. You might just land on the moon. So just want to give you guys that word of wisdom. Again, yeah, man. Excited for what's to come. bomb ass dessert, man. Y'all in East, man. Bolé, look right here at the dessert bar. One of the best places you can eat at. Real talk, man. Real talk. I'm telling you right now. I can walk my ass home though. It's pretty late. Look at this beautiful city. Oh my goodness. Like, they lied to us in school, man. Like, Africa got some beautiful cities, man. I'm pretty sure there's more cities out there. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know who got some cities that's popping like this in Africa. But these, where it's at. Let me put that hustle on it. Yeah, come on. Yeah. They drive willy-nilly out here too. But hey, let me tell you something. If you can drive in South Florida, you can drive anywhere in the world. Give a damn what nobody say. If you can drive in South Florida, you can drive anywhere in the world. Ask somebody that's driven in South Florida. They gonna tell you can drive anywhere in the world if you've driven in South Florida, because that shit get hectic. Now, don't get me wrong, traffic be jamming out here. It can get hectic as far as like trying to get around stuff and then going around people, but they don't be wrecking like that. And if they do wreck, it's like fender benders. It's not nothing serious like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't fatal car crashes that they be having, you know? So, it's a dope deal. Home sweet home.